afraid to tell you. Wonder if I'll ever get to something new. Yeah, I could just forget about this, but I know that I'd regret it. When I'm with you, does it even matter what we do? Say I'm fine, that's a lie I can notice every time. When I'm all alone with you, say I'm fine, that's a lie I can notice every time that I'm alone. Nothing's getting better, only talk about the weather. I'm not sure where to start. Having dreams of what it's like, just to hold you every night, but it always feels so far. Yeah, I could just forget about this, and maybe I'd regret it. Yeah, I could just forget about this, but all I wanna say is when I'm with you, does it even matter what we do? Say I'm fine, that's a lie I can notice every time. When I'm all alone with you, say I'm fine, that's a lie I can notice every time that I'm alone with you. When I'm with you, doesn't even matter what we do. When I'm with you, doesn't even matter what we do. Say I'm fine, that's a lie I can notice every time. When I'm all alone with you, say I'm fine, that's a lie I can notice every time when I'm alone.
On the swag with my hips down, everybody wanna pimp the nymph out. Cage is open, let's escape from Chimp Town. Rick James, James Brown, they can make the Rick Brown. Meanwhile, Forrest Gump like to throw the shrimp down. Fists grab the handheld, I could wear the grip crown. Don't skip now, keep the needle on the vinyl. Do everything you're told and everything you're told is final. Light up the spot when I make my arrival. Give me the mic, I'll spit my list of ish that I don't give a. Ball so hard that you never see me dribble. Ball so hot, I pass it to my pistol. Pop threes with the ease, referees can never gribble. Then I autograph these city walls with my scribble.
Cut to the chase, man, cut to the chase. Don't waste my time with that pretty face, man. Cut to the chase, cut to the chase, man. I wanna see the people move inside the place, man.
Let me introduce myself. What you think about that?
Now I rock a mic battle, but I always keep it civil. Dribble my philosophy, fizzle out my mandible. Lend me your ear and my music start to nibble. Keep my record spinning like we keep the office chair swivel. Scratch the wax like your skin got allergies. Count off from my cavalry like you counting calories. Who will live and who will die? Ask the Valkyries. Swing will see ya from the chandelier and the balconies.
Cut to the chase, man, cut to the chase. Don't waste my time with that pretty face, man. Cut to the chase, cut to the chase. I wanna see the people move inside the place, man.
My favorite part of the song is about to happen right now.
Bright like sunlight, nice like Canadians, sweet like Pomeranians, and pics with Kardashians. Narcissists, catharsis, desire debaters, one-time well-wishers, trolls and haters. Space micers, Facebook likers. Will you multiply this, or else you minus the bass for your bottom and the treble for your sinus? Pump the ish so loud I got tinnitus. Tiny Tito got the touch like Midas. You like this? Even as I write this, suckers line up like sharks, they wanna bite this. And who can blame them? Crowd so wild, kids can't be tamed without the jism. They nod their heads like this dish was a baptism.
Cut to the chase, man, cut to the chase. Don't waste
The secret name that can't be spoken like clockwork. Does Spock twerk like a Vulcan? Cracked up naturally, I'm never coking. But one time I woke up broke on my way to Hoboken with a box of donuts in the Whipperella. So crunchy that it gave me salmonella. Don't believe me? You can ask Cinderella. The last time I seen her, she was in Sin City, crouching on her knees, sweeping chimneys. You can bring your girl or you can bring your families.
Cut to the chase, man, cut to the chase. Don't waste my time with the pretty face, man. Cut to the chase, man, cut to the chase. I wanna see the people move up in the place, man. Cut to the chase, man, cut to the chase. The pretty face, man.
I like to nod my head to music like this.
The hell, and I never wanna go back. I've been told that hope could be just what my goal lack. I ain't got no time for these cold cats. A new roadmap, kick the old facts. They got no class while I hold tack. My heart grown black, so I close that. And with a smoke clap, that's a old snap. They get broke stat, but where the hope at? And where my growth at? Been a slow stack. Rap so deep, get a soul tap. I ain't catch no sleep, that's a throwback. I say no at, yo, let me hold that. On the queen knot, they got no grasp. And when I hold back, I get sold that. Same old Kodak with no flash. I mean no light, I mean no light. The pain cut so deep and with no knife. Ain't got no type, keep it roll tight. Been a slow fight, but I know right from wrong. When I see it, yeah, I'm so nice. Wanna see me folk, but I won't, oh spite. Hearing all that lifting with no bite. I said lift that grip, get your soul right. Tryna unlearn and relearn things. I'm done getting trapped up in the same game. Moving up no matter what they may say. Tryna lead the way, tryna see grace. Tryna unlearn and relearn things. Done getting wrapped up in the same game. Moving up no matter what they may say. Tryna lead the way, tryna be great. Yeah, crippling self-doubt got me feeling a feeling of left out, but still moving through life with my chest out. Chin up to the sky, let a breath out. Gotta show kids just how I get down. I got people complaining with no clout. I got heathens relating like, oh wow. Try to be loved but don't know how. Gripping the mic till they bow down. Too many cats at the bounds now. I got sound check at 6, gotta bounce now. Living my dreams, say it out loud. From the north all the way to the down south. So sick and tired of these loud mouths. They talk all that trash till they found out. It's like tryna start with a clean slate, tryna show that I'll be great. Well, I know how to act when I meet fate. Will life give me some more of this bleak taste? Get up out of my face, I said please thanks. I get grumpy till I hit my cheat day. I get grumpy a lot these days, so give me some space, oh for Pete's sake. Yeah, tryna find grace while I seek fate. Tryna heal wounds through the dreamscape. All of this hate that I must fake. No, it's all coming from a weak place. They want that chase, but I don't need bait. The art I create, it's a keepsake. And when I ascend, it's on a break, and then I escape. Yeah. Tryna unlearn and relearn